Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect Gelato to Etsy. Now, as you know, you can actually go and connect Gelato to Etsy by going and logging into Gelato. So this is really simple. Now, all you have to do is just, as you can see, to connect your Etsy store to Gelato, first you need to complete the account creation on Etsy. So go to etsy.com and follow the steps. Please make sure that you create a seller account because that is the only way how you will be able to go and connect Gelato to Etsy. Now, once ready, go to your Gelato account and connect. Obviously, follow the step-by-step guide right here. So go to your Gelato, go to stores, and here you can actually go and connect Etsy with Gelato. Now, all you have to do is just hit connect, and all you have to do is wait a little bit and then go and follow the steps that Gelato will basically give you. Now, if you're already using another print-on-demand provider to fulfill your orders, you can migrate your existing products to be fulfilled with Gelato. You can do that if you want. Also, you can add Gelato products to your Etsy store if you want. And if you don't have any existing products in your Etsy store, all you have to do is you can add Gelato products in minutes. Now, you can read more about it on Gelato's website, but this is pretty much how to go and connect Gelato to Etsy. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.